thrilling evening filled with excitement, fierce competition, and outstanding performance from our players. We witnessed some unforgettable matches and remarkable performances, and I hope you have all enjoyed it a lot. Now, as we gather close to close this incredible event, it's time to celebrate the hard work, dedication, and achievements of all who have brought this event to life. Tonight, we'll honor not only our champions, but our organizers as well, who have worked tirelessly behind the scenes to make sure that this event is nothing short of amazing. First up, let's celebrate the winners of e-games. Whether it is FIFA or CS, our winners have showed sharp reflexes and great strategy. Please join me in congratulating Mahir for FIFA and Usman Nair for Counter-Strike. And I would like to invite Sir Rizwan to give this award to the players. Mahir and Nair. And Usman Nair. Okay. Congratulations. Thank you so much, sir. Next up is table tennis, where we enjoyed some incredible and intense matches. Congratulations to Muhammad Raza for consistently winning till the very end. I would like to invite Sir Saqib to come and give the award to the winner. Congratulations. Foosball, which requires teamwork and precision. I invite Sir Samad to come forward to give this award to Mahad for winning the intense match. Ehmer, Karam, a game of skill, patience, and precision. I would like to invite Sir Anas to give this award to Mahad for his intense winning in the match. Snooker, which is not just about aiming, it's about planning several moves ahead. I would like to invite Sir Zain to come forward to give this award to Ahmed Sardar. Now Ludo, which is a blend of luck and strategy. And both of our winners have balanced it perfectly. I would like to invite Sir Tariq to give this award to Disha for winning the female category. Disha, please come forward. And Mehdi, please come forward to receive your award for the male category. Next is chess. Lastly, for our indoor games, we have chess, which is ultimate game of strategy and intellect. And we have two winners here as well. I would like to invite Sir Imran Palwa to come forward to give this award to Hermin for winning the female category. Hermin, please step forward. And Ukasha, please come forward to receive your award for the male category. Congratulations. Thank you very much, sir. Next, we have our badminton champions who have demonstrated agility and resilience. Sir Talal, please come forward to give the award. And I would like to invite Zara for winning the female category to come forward and receive the award. And Sir Bahaj, please step forward to give the award to male category. Abdullah Aryan, please come forward. Now turning to female cricket, a sport that ignites and unites our passion. A huge round of applause to our winners, PCHS Phonics. You are outstanding on the team. Please, Captain, come forward to receive the award, and I would like to invite Sir Majid to give the award. PCHS Phonics, please come forward to receive your award with your captain. एक सेकंड सर इधर सर अच्छा वो हो गया अब सर माजिद का इधर से काट के सर जी बुला लेना
फीमेल क्रिकेट में पीसीएचएस पहली बार जीती है.
Moving on to futsal, I would like to invite Sir Akil to come forward to give the award to Palwa Panthers for their well-earned victory. Hamza Daud, please come forward to take the award. While our players shine on the field, none of this would have been possible without the organizers working tirelessly behind the scenes. It's time to honor their unwavering commitments with shields of appreciation. I would like to invite Sir Ghulam Mustafa to come forward to give the next awards. Director Finance, Basit, please come forward to receive your shield. Next up we have is our Director Logistics, Athar Imam, to please come forward to receive your award. Director North, Fatma Jabin, please come forward. Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite Sir Tabani to please come forward to give the next awards. Executive Director Muhammad Naim, please come forward to receive your shield. Advisor Mahad Ahmed, please come forward to receive your shield. Director Operations Saif Ali, please come forward to receive your shield. And then we have our president of Sports Gala, Muhammad Umar. Please come forward to receive your shield as well. And finally, the person who brought this entire event together with passion and determination, our chief organizer, Sir Bahaj. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite Sir Majid again to come forward and give the award of Best Batsman to Abdullah from Fighters. Next up, the best bowler, Aman Ali from Talal Titans. Please come forward. Aman Ali. And lastly, for the best fielder, Uzair from Talal Titans. Uh, Finally, we have come to male cricket. Congratulations to the runner-up team, Fighters, for their hard work. Let's invite the players for their certificate distribution, for the trophy distribution. Abdullah Ren, please come forward to receive your trophy with your team. Fighters, please come forward to receive the award with your captain. Thank you very much, sir. And let's give it up for Talal Titans for winning the incredible match. Talal Titans, Sir Tabani, please come forward to give the award.
तमाम फैकल्टी से दरख्वास्त है कि विनर के लिए